Hi guys, this is CS Nurin Lodaya from Just Arkan Advisors. Welcome to Fin Talks. Hope you all are doing great and staying safe during the current situation. So today, I will be guiding you to the new scheme introduced by MCA called CFSS Scheme 2020, that is Company's Fresh Start Scheme 2020. MCA is a short form for Ministry of Corporate Affairs, which is governed body to look after the administration of Companies Act. Let us understand the purpose and intention of this scheme introduced by the government. As the name suggests, it's an opportunity for the non-compliant companies or LLPs which have not filed the e-forms required under the Companies Act or LLP Act in time, and to give them a push to start their business activities on a fresher note, and also to provide financial relief to them by not charging any additional fees during the validity of this scheme. So guys, ये स्कीम का मेन पर्पस है कि कंपनीज और एलएलपीज को हम रिवाइव करें. So this is a golden opportunity for the companies or LLPs to get their compliance online. Now next, let us understand the validity of this scheme. So this scheme is valid for a period from 1st April 2020 to 30th September 2020 and is valid for all the companies or LLPs other than the companies or LLPs which have applied for strike off or are having dormant status, and other exceptions which are mentioned in our presentation attached in the link. This scheme is valid for total of 76 forms combined under Companies Act and LLP Act. Now one important thing to note that this scheme does not cover e-form for increasing authorized capital, that is SH7, and any charge related forms like CHG1, CHG4 and CHG8. So there will not be any additional fees waiver in this both cases. So guys, ये स्कीम का मेन बेनिफिट समझते हैं दो एग्जाम्पल लेके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, DIR3 KYC फॉर्म जो हर डायरेक्टर को एनुअली फाइल करना होता है. सो अगर आपने ये फॉर्म फाइल नहीं किया है तो इस पर 5,000 रुपीज़ की फिक्स पेनल्टी होती है. लेकिन ये स्कीम के अंडर आप पहले के पेंडिंग DIR3 KYC फॉर्म फाइल कर सकते हो और ये 5,000 रुपीज़ बचा सकते हो, जो कि सब्सटेंशियल अमाउंट है. लेकिन इसका दूसरा एग्जाम्पल है जो ये स्कीम को काफ़ी गेम चेंजिंग प्रूव करता है. सो एनुअल रिटर्न्स के जो फॉर्म्स होते हैं उसमें 100 रुपीज़ पर डे की लेट फीस होती है विदाउट एनी लिमिट. तो अगर आपने पिछले 2-3 साल से एनुअल रिटर्न फॉर्म नहीं भरे हैं तो उसकी पेनल्टी आज की तारीख में लाख फिगर क्रॉस कर चुकी होगी गाइस. सो इन दैट केस आपको ये स्कीम बहुत हेल्पफुल प्रूव हो सकती है, क्योंकि आपको सिर्फ नॉर्मल फीस भरनी है जो 600 रुपये के ऊपर नहीं होती. सो यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा कॉस्ट सेविंग मेजर है ये गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द प्रोसीजर टू अवेल दिस स्कीम. So guys, first step is to file DIR3 KYC for all the directors and INC 22A active form अगर आपने ये फॉर्म फाइल नहीं किया है अब तक तो. Second step is to file the pending forms for which you want to avail the benefit of this scheme. Third step is to file CFSS form within 180 days from the closure of the scheme, mentioning all the forms which you have filed under this scheme. And finally, you will receive immunity certificate on mail after filing this CFSS form. Now let us understand key points under this scheme. Immunity is only against the delayed filing. So guys, ये point बहुत important है समझने के लिए. For example, if a company has defaulted in holding AGM during the prescribed period and have not filed the annual returns within 30 days of AGM, then the immunity is only for the annual return filing delay and not for the default in the holding of AGM. So guys, this opportunity is a one-time opportunity and we may not see such window ever again in future. Also to note that MCA is likely to invoke the panel provision under the Act after the scheme. So it will be better to be compliant during this scheme and take advantage of this immunity. Even if you want to strike off the company, you have to file the pending form, so it's better to take this immunity. So guys, you can check our presentation attached in the link to get a better idea of this scheme. We will be happy to help in case of any work or query related to this scheme. Thank you guys for watching the video. Stay safe.